What is up, everyone? How are you? So the last like 2 weeks I've been going literally absolutely insane trying to get my car ready for the first like real drift event of the season, which is this Saturday, and all our hard work seems to be paying off, and it seems like I should be able to make it, which is amazing. I mean, I've been going literally insane. Plus I've been trying to help everyone else too get their cars together for this event, and man, have I been hurting. But this morning I spent still just trying to dial in my car a little bit more, playing with the ECU, trying to get more and more involved with the link. We're starting a little late. We're at B-Haul shop right here, as you can tell. We got to work on his car, and we're going to help Josh get his S14 back together because, as you guys know, he blew the head gasket, so we swapped the engine, and it's almost done. So I give props to Josh because he's been banging that out. So we also have a crap ton of sub mail because I haven't even had time to open it. So we're gonna go through that and yeah, just have a good time. So let's get to work.
Hi. So which one is it? I'm trying to drift. 100 million or 10 million?
I think it was 1 million.
You guys working hard?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're getting our sessions in, practice.
All right, B, so what's going on here? Oh wow, it's not that messy in here. This is weird. Actually, it is really messy.
Did you sweep up a little bit?
It is really messy.
I mean, it's a little messy.
Dude, the motor is in the car. It's almost done. I'm really impressed. I'm impressed.
Yeah, I got it done.
That's awesome.
Just don't run yet.
Yeah, almost. Cool.
Almost there.
And then B, what are you doing?
It's caster adjustment, new radiator.
If you guys remember his banana radiator, the whole thing was separated.
Yeah, no, my radiator's destroyed, so I gotta swap that out.
All right, so she's almost ready to start for the first time with this engine, and we have our first issue. Watch this. Oh my God. So the tensioner bolt for the power steering pump. I'm surprised it looked like it was slipping from here, but we're good here. That's good news.
Huh. Under.
Do your thing. See if it fixed it. Better. So we're gonna re-dyno this one, right? Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully, I'm hoping still for 240 in the 240.
Because I'm hoping. I don't think it needs a retune, but I'm hoping this engine makes more power than the last one because they only made 200 horsepower, and this kit should be making like 235 at wastegate, I think, right?
Yeah, somewhere around there. I know people have definitely made a lot more. Did you just toot?
Just a little bit.
Toot toot.
Might be a big backfire, so get your shit ready. Yeah.
Do it again. Try it
Almost
again.
there. Oh shit!
Kill it. He says to kill it.
Oh, I didn't hear him.
Yeah! That's what you gotta give someone when something doesn't go. You just gotta. Yeah! Come on, K.A. Got this. What's the life? Alright, hold up. Alright, I'm getting the timing light. Come on, what the hell?
So probably right now, Derek's sitting at home watching this video going, wow, that timing light looks really familiar.
Well, he's probably not watching the video right now.
What, he's
Because we're filming it.
well, when I say it right now, that sets the time code of that right now, right there.
That's.
Yeah, this is Derek's timing light. That's all I had. Yeah, that's where I was going with this. So thank you, Derek. I'll bring it back. But
Thanks, Derek.
I hope you see it later on when you're watching the video. It's alive!
it sounds so good.
Oh! No, we're good! Everything's just shaking.
It sounds really good.
Yeah, sounds healthy.
It's way quieter. Come on, shoot it. Oh, there you go. I'll fix that. I'll go get my computer. Hell yeah. Yeah, this thing sounds great. No rod knock here.
No rod knock here.
Hell yeah. Nothing beats fresh engine swap first try. Well, I'm gonna consider that first try. So Brian's trying to dial in his caster right now, but we should do some sub mail, right?
Sub mail! Hell yeah!
Hell yeah, it's been a minute, why not?
Come on.
Okay, let's do the one on top. I think this one's from Canada, or Australia. It's from
Australia? Damn, that's a long way away. Ben, his name is Ben. I feel like there's a lot of Bens in Australia. Is that
right?
true?
I bet it's a fact.
G'day, Jimmy and the crew. I thought you and the team would like to try some Aussie delights. I also included a couple of workshop supplies that might come in handy. I just wanted to show my appreciation for your dedication. I have a YouTube channel and understand how much work goes into making just one video. Keep up the great work. Instagram, benj.m.88. YouTube Ultimate Tech. All right, hell yeah, Ben. Let's see what he sent us.
Oh, do we get a flag?
Got a flag.
Is that a flag?
We love flags. Let's check it out.
Dude, don't.
Oh, it's
way.
a boxing kangaroo.
Dude, that's the coolest thing. Is
Hell
this like
yeah.
their national flag?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This is awesome.
That has to be.
It's not quite their national flag.
No, definitely not.
Their national flag is blue and it has the small.
But it should have been. It should have been, right?
That is amazing. Dude, stoked on sub mail for today just on that flag. That is amazing.
People hang out with kangaroos, or kangaroos just whoop your ass? Just come out of nowhere like. We got some Tim Tam.
Dude, we got hooked up.
Hell yeah, this is
I'm
the
hungry.
shit. I'm
cool.
gonna go into a diabetic coma tonight.
Oh, whoa, no.
Whole
way.
Loctite kit.
No
What is this Gretty thing? They're light bulbs. Are they? What is this? Neodymium mag. Oh, it's a drain plug.
No
with a
way.
magnet. It's a magnetic drain plug.
What?
Mag drain.
This is too cool.
Damn.
Oh, this is a really good package.
Sick. Red locker stick. Oh my gosh. It's like every type. Wow. Pipe sealant. Oh, that's good. And anti-seize. Wow.
Wow, this is a
This is
really.
a sick kit.
Eat the whole goddamn box.
Vegemite. I've never tried Vegemite.
Try it
Should
right
we
now.
try Vegemite?
Yeah, gum it.
Gum it? I've never. It's Australian delicacy. Hold on. It's very salty. What do you put this on? It tastes like ramen noodles flavoring package.
What? Is this like a thing?
I wouldn't suggest eating that on its own unless that's what you guys do.
Ben, dude, this is an amazing package. Literally, an awesome range of stuff right here. This is really, I'm really hyped on this. I don't even.
Pineapple chocolate.
This guy knows, dude. Ben, you're the shit.
Ben, I appreciate you so much. This is so cool. I am so pumped on every part of this package. This is really awesome.
Thank you, Ben.
Work with B-Haul. Get in the car. Drift ready because he's drifting for the
First time Saturday.
Hell yeah. It's not that many days away.
No, not at all, dude. It's kind of scary. I bought Brian a aftermarket radiator for the car, and it ended up being bunk and didn't fit. So Brian had a really hell of a time yesterday doing it. But went and got him an OEM style one today, so he has that now, right?
That's right.
And we're gonna assume that one fits.
It should.
Wow, the stock one's skinny.
Oh, that was bad. Oh.
I see if the clutch works. Yeah. Oh, you got a duck in there? All right, clutch doesn't work.
I think Josh put the clutch in backwards. I think you put the clutch. Josh, you put the clutch in backwards? I don't know if you can on these cars or not.
I don't think you can.
You probably could.
Damn, look how messed up that thing is. How does that even happen? Hey, whatever. It lasted 20-something years. So can we destroy this once you're done? I want to step on it so bad. Brian would be so mad.
Can we people's elbow it?
Let's see here.
Maintenance. Yep, looks good to me.
Brian, what are you doing?
I'm just throwing the fan in the intake back in, and I'm all done.
We're moving to Quack.
Well, that's the beauty of these quick connect hose clamps. You guys know what I'm talking about. They got the O-ring and this fancy little clip there. It's a pain in the ass taking it apart when it's been on the car for 100,000 miles, but it's a beautiful thing when you just clip them right on. That's it. This is broken, so that's fucked. I need a clip there, which I broke the other day.
Zip tie.
So yeah, I need a zip tie and I'm done.
Well, out of curiosity, if anyone's worrying about the clutch issue, we kind of think we figured it out on the S14. So I pumped the shit out of the slave and it grenaded itself, and it actually came out. And you probably can't see it. Yeah, you can't. But the slave kind of like hyper-extended itself, popped out, and now it's fully engaged for once. And it goes in gear, no problem. So I think the slave was just going bad. I think the seal blew on it, so whatever.
I have a slave at my shop, so we're good to go.
Throw it in there and maybe it'll move tomorrow.
Yeah, and I'm hoping for more than 200 horsepower.
All right, guys, we're taking bets right now. How much do you think this healthy KA is gonna make on wastegate pressure? It made 200 on the not so healthy S14 one, so I'm gonna say 223.
Like it if you think it's gonna make 240.
I was gonna say 228.
Okay.
I'm gonna guess 232.
All right.
Pretty close spread there.
$10, everyone.
Try shit.
You just shook your hand with the tuner.
I want to see the TPS log.
Okay.
All right. I want to make sure you're not fucking sandbagging me with your 93% throttle shit.
So the coolant's gonna take like a half hour to bleed on this damn thing. It always takes forever on the Beamer. So let's open some more submail. This 4B Hall Mark II from Bentley. I think this is Bentley.
You got Mark II stuff? Did I see Mark II?
Mark II stuff.
No way. What is this? What is this?
It's from the UK.
Oh, I guessed it right. Lock pins for the doors.
Those are sick.
Yeah, I actually need those. I had bought some like eBay type ones a while back, and they kind of sucked. So I'm gonna try these out. That's awesome.
But you're jealous, Josh.
Yeah, I want my
They
doors.
fit a Corrado too.
I want my doors.
Send more.
That's awesome.
It's amazing. Who did this come from? Does it have a name?
Guys, make sure you leave us a note or something so we don't mess it up. We always want to give people credit, but
Well,
hey.
if your name was Bentley, thank you so much, Bentley. That's awesome. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna go throw these in the car right now.
Okay, and like I said, we have not forgotten about the Mark II. We're just still waiting on parts for the damn thing. It's almost there. But one thing I did want to show you, speaking of the Mark II, is we actually got our fans for the Mark II, which is awesome. So we put a big ass radiator on the car, and to go with it, we got some awesome fans for the car. I'm gonna show you right now.
So we got two 10-inch Hayden Slim fans right here.
Well, Brian and I are huge fans of the Hayden products. Their fans have been doing us justice, and they're really nice quality.
And they've been hooking us up, so.
We got these little guys, but we're gonna run two of them. I think.
And they're perfect.
Yeah, and I'm gonna try to make
awesome.
I'm gonna try to spend time and make like a real fancy shroud for these things, so I can really, use them to their full potential. Super high quality. Nothing but good things to say about Hayden. They say made in Italy on them, and they seem like they're definitely to like an OEM specification, and they would definitely last a long time. So
A big problem with these high CFM race fans is you can't run them for too long, and they start to burn themselves out. But we've had these things going for a long time, and they've done us really well, and none of us are overheating.
yeah, and plus Hayden sent us some fan controllers for these things too, and they always come with like a nice aluminum heat sink on them, something that's made to last for sure.
So hell yeah, we'll get those installed soon and finish up the cooling system.
So what do we got?
Some of my stuff to show up, Joan.
Here we go. Jimmy, enjoy your gift from Dwayne at CR Inc. Noticed when swapping B stiff, there was limited lighting under the car. Maybe these lights might help. Try sticking them on the All right.
Hell yeah.
We got a shitload of lights. Thanks
Dwayne?
again, Dwayne.
Thanks for keeping us lit.
At cr.inc. Sick.
Well, is it leaking?
No, it's not leaking.
That means I can stomp this bitch out, right?
Yeah, dude. Let's see if you even got anything in there. It's corrugated. Corrugation is strong.
All right, I got it.
Give me this thing.
That was way stronger than I thought.
I told you, corrugation's got strength, man.
I really stomped that thing. All right, I'm gonna approach it at this angle.
I bet you the Tong Yang radiator wouldn't hold up to that.
Hell yeah.
Oh man.
Hell yeah. Oh, we got another one?
Give me the note.
Got him. Been sub since you started with LSZ project. Have loved every single build you've done. Here's an M flag to celebrate the new power plant for the E36. Also, I'm the one who sent that wire loom. Amazon just wouldn't let me put a note. Kyle. That's
Hell
awesome.
yeah,
We got a lot
Kyle.
of wire loom from Kyle. Kyle, thank you, buddy. So we already have an M flag.
I think we have this flag.
I think we have this exact flag.
This is my room. Put it in your room.
I'm putting this in my room. This is sick. This is cool. Kyle, thank you, buddy. This is the last one, I swear. We have one more, all right?
Another sub mail?
Yeah, I'm not mad about it. I just don't know, like, as a viewer perspective.
It's nice. I mean, today we're like slipping into the content, you know?
Yeah, it's a chill day. What is this?
Are these fender covers?
No
Fender
way.
covers. That's pretty sick.
I wish I had this for my Black Z like
I
a
was
year
just
ago.
gonna say that.
My Black Z fenders are screwed.
Hi, Jimmy, Broccoli, Steph, and the rest of the gang. Thought you guys could use some extra protection when working on your cars, especially with those freshly painted ones. Enjoy it. Quentin, aka Quintinator, on Instagram.
At Quintinator. This thing won't focus anymore.
That's awesome. Thank you, Quentin.
That's really cool.
Yeah, I really appreciate it. I know we're definitely going to use them when we're working on the Z's, or maybe the Miata especially.
So the nice cars.
yeah, you guys know what we're talking about.
That's amazing.
That's
really
awesome.
Cool. That's definitely one of those things I always say I wish I had.
Yeah, you gotta, the thing about the fender covers, I feel like you gotta like keep them in the box and then write fender covers on them, or else they get dusty, and then you put them on your car, and you just scratch your car.
Word from the rise.
Cool. Thank you, Quinn. That was awesome. Tools are the shit. Dude, sub mail this week.
Fire. Absolutely, I can agree. Where's the Tim Tams? Where's the Tim Tams are gone?
Yeah, we already ate them.
Yo.
There's one.
We devoured them.
Tim Tams. That's all you be.
The Tim Tams. Who sent us that? What was his name? Ben from Australia, because everyone from Australia's name is Ben, right? Not everyone.
But if you guys want to send some sub mail our way, the address is always in the description, so feel free to send whatever. You can send Brian toothpaste. But guys, thank you so much. This is always really fun for us, so even on a nice chill day for like today, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I honestly wasn't expecting to be like that done today, so
Yeah.
yeah.
It's done.
My hands
It's kinda.
my hands are clean, dude. Great.
Yeah, mine are not.
Got him.
No way.
Nice.
You're getting good at that.
All right, quick video for tonight. We got Josh's S14 to actually run, which is really surprised me. I'm really impressed still.
That's huge anyways.
Yeah.
That thing, I mean,
I didn't think he was gonna
motor
make it.
swap,
I didn't
need a
think.
clutch. No, I kind of didn't either.
But Josh, you're killing it. If you're watching, I know you're watching this. You're doing great, buddy. We're proud of you.
Josh, I know you're watching this, but I had faith in you like 3 days ago. I was like, wow, he's gonna
doing
make
good.
it. So.
And then Brian got his little radiator. I wish you guys could have saw the other radiator. It was an experience.
Yeah.
And everyone who sent the sub mail, thank you guys so much. It was awesome. Like I said, if you guys want to join a little sub mail
gang,
whatever, we always put the PO box in the description. So send us something fun. So tomorrow is a big day because I will hopefully be dyno tuning the S13 again, but with like 4 things fixed and on E85. So we should make some jam, even though I drove it at 400 horsepower and it feels ridiculous. So yeah, hope you guys liked today's video, but that's it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe.
Stay tuned for more content and have a great night.
Later.